Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to combine multiple Word documents into one PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your Adobe Acrobat Pro DC software. Now select Tools option and select here Combine Files option. Now select here Add Files also here you can select Add File. You can add file from folder, from web page, mail, clipboard and so on. I select Add Files and open your folder as well three of this part file and I will select all of these. Now select open and see this. You can see this file position and see this. Also you can delete, you can add new PDF file and remove. Now select combine and wait for a few seconds, converting all of this file to PDF file. First on complete and second on and it's third on and see this. All of this Word document now converted to a PDF file and see this. Yeah, this is. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.